Are you looking for a residential or commercial restoration service provider in Broward County, Florida? Look no further. Broward County Restoration Expert is your #1 company for residential and commercial restoration services needs. We specialize in water damage, fire damage, and mold damage restoration services. We offer emergency service 24/7 to everyone in Broward County. We offer the best water damage restoration and removal services, fire and smoke damage restoration, and mold restoration and remediation services. Why choose us? We are licensed and insured, have 10 years of experience, provide free estimates, open 24 hours a day, and provide direct insurance billing and service all of Broward County. Give Broward County Restoration Expert a call today for all your restoration service needs, or visit us at browardcountyrestorationexpert.com.